Hello and welcome back to nobrokerage.com. Today we are at Jamtani and we have Ravi sir with us. Hello sir.
Hi ma'am.
Sir, I would love to know more about Jamtani Group, like a small introduction or a company's vision.
Okay. So Jamtani Group started their real estate journey from 2010. Right now they have delivered 17 projects. Ongoing we are having 11 projects. So we are into east and west both part of the Pune, and we are into commercial and residential both segment.
सर अभी आपका ऐसा कौन सा बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप बताना चाहोगे हमारी ऑडियंस?
So right now we have just launched a project in Koregaon Park Annex, that is Ace Abundance. So it's a premium ultra luxury 3, 4 and 4.5 BHK project in which we are giving you a low density, project with 45 plus amenities. It's very well located in the center of the city, very well connected with all the good locations like Kharadi, Magarpatta, Koregaon Park, Kalyan Nagar. So yeah, that is our new hot project, Ace Abundance.
Okay, and what is the price range for this particular?
So for 3 BHK, we are quoting 1.95 plus, 1.95 CR plus. And for a 4 BHK 1808 carpet, we are quoting 2.75 CR plus. And for a 4.5 BHK, we are quoting 2.95 CR plus.
And is there any offers for now?
Right now, we are taking bookings directly. We are not taking any tokens. We have done 30% of the booking already. And so right now, if any buyer want to buy, they can visit the project in Koregaon Park Annex Mundwa, and they can directly go for a booking with a CLP plan, construction link plan.
And according to you, sir, which locations in Pune will grow in next 5 to 10 years?
See, locations which are well connected with the IT hubs will grow in both the parts of the Pune east and west. For an example, Mundwa is very well connected with, Magarpatta and Kharadi, which are the IT locations. And in west part, the locations which are nearby Hinjawadi, Balewadi will grow very well. Like Ravet and Tatavade.
एंड सर 2026 में घर लेने के लिए कौन सा बेस्ट टाइम होगा, या किसी को इन्वेस्ट करना है तो बेस्ट टाइम ही सा?
घर लेने के लिए सारे टाइम ही बेस्ट है, आप कभी भी घर ले सकते हो. बट जनवरी फरवरी मार्च में बहुत सारे लॉन्चेस आते हैं, तो उस टाइम डेवलपर्स अच्छे ऑफर्स देते हैं, तो वो अच्छा टाइम रहता है.
एंड सर जमतानी ग्रुप ही क्यों चूज करना चाहिए बायर्स में?
जमतानी ग्रुप पहले तो दोनों ही पार्ट ऑफ पुणे में लोकेटेड है, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन पिक द लोकेशन. And Jamtani already have delivered more than 17 projects. And, Jamtani, the name is a promise. So we already have delivered a lot of flats to our existing clients. And we take care of those also. After selling also, we are in touch with them. जो भी उनके problems होते हैं, we resolve them. So we should go with Jamtani.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एक एडवाइस क्या देना चाहोगे आप होम बायर्स के लिए, या जो फर्स्ट टाइम घर खरीदते उनके लिए?
होम बायर्स के लिए ये एडवाइस देना चाहूंगा कि आप पहले तो आप अपना लोकेशन स्ट्रेटेजिकली देखें कि कौन से लोकेशन में आपको लेना है. उसके बाद अपना कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पे देखें कि कौन सा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. उसके बाद डेवलपर्स तो सारे ही अच्छे हैं, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे आप ले सकते हो.
Thank you so much, sir. That's all. If you want to know more about Jamtani Group or want to invest in any of their projects, then contact on the given number below or visit nobrokerage.com.